Hello folks, and welcome to today's video. I've got 3 condos lined up in the area of Uptown, and all of them seem to be situated in the federal land buildings, except one which is in Park Suites, and I'm gonna go meet the agent now. The agent just so happens to be a fan of my channel. Yes, they've watched my videos a couple times, but I've never met them. So this will be my first ever time meeting them. And the first unit we're gonna check out in today's video is located in the Park West building. This will be my first ever time seeing what the units are like in Park West. I don't know what the lobby looks like, what the elevators look like, and generally the hallways and the layouts of the Park West buildings. I wonder if they're somewhat different to the Madison and the buildings on the right here. But the lobby is located under this footbridge here. Okay, welcome to the first unit in the Park West building. I'm actually thoroughly surprised that this unit is newly renovated. I don't think I received pictures from the agent about this particular unit, but I'm super surprised by the space of it, the layout. Everything you see here is brand new. So I don't know if it was recently turned over or if the owner decided to renovate the entire space. But this is the kitchen here. It's quite a big kitchen. The countertop, the cabinets, they're all newly installed. They don't come as standard. You've got a big cabinet here too. You've got this soft ambient light tucked in the ceiling. There's a Samsung fridge here, which is a digital inverter, but it opens in this direction. I think an adjustment could be made where the door could be possibly opened the other way. But anyway, the tiling has also been replaced. It's got this sort of streak pattern going for it. The dining table that sits 4 people there, a center couch that fits about 2 people easily. It's a rather long couch. And it's quite firm. It's actually quite comfortable and firm. I thought you would sink into this, but you don't. It maintains your weight pretty well. It would be amazing, absolutely amazing, if there was a TV mounted here. That could possibly be negotiated with the landlord, but you'd have to mention that. And is it possible to mount? It is. This is brick, so there would be absolutely no issue here. But I think the size of the TV would be constrained by the width of this wall, because if you go any further, then it will interfere with the door, and it will interfere with people walking through here. This is the bathroom. Let's just turn on the lights. There it is. Unfortunately, when you do turn on the lights, the ventilator is a little loud. This set of cabinets has been fitted. I'm not sure if the toilet is standard. I think these tiles here have also been newly installed. The shower might be the same. And there's a brand new washing machine in the back. Is this a 2-in-1 washer and dryer? No, I believe it's just a washer. But it's tucked in the back here. Has it been installed? I think it has. One just needs to plug it in and remove the packaging and it should be good to go. Now, this is a 1-bedroom unit, but it's not a wall. Rather, it's a glass panel that separates the bedroom from the living space. It's actually really, really nice because it makes the whole area, the whole unit feel more open and airy. But it is a 1-bedroom because it's got a door. It's not a sliding divider, which is fantastic. Usually these units have a wall here, but I think they've knocked the wall down and installed these glass panels. I'm really a big fan of that. Just behind me here looks like a 55-inch Sony TV with your Netflix, so it's a smart TV. Has that been plugged in? Oh, it has. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's super responsive as well. Oh, it's just not connected up to the internet. But that is a fantastic TV, and it's perfectly positioned so you can watch TV in bed. The TV stand has some storage here. I'm just wondering where the wardrobe is. Is this the wardrobe? Yes. Okay, it's not a very big wardrobe, but there is one. Perfect for possibly a guy living here, or I don't think this would be enough space for a couple, but who knows? You got some storage there, and you got some storage here too, and up here as well. Interesting. I really like the fact that the wardrobe doesn't take a huge amount of space, because when you're going for a 1-bedroom or a studio, there isn't really a lot of space to work with. So I think that's clever use of space. I don't really need a massive wardrobe. Something like that is a perfect size for me to hang up all my black shirts. The bed looks like it's a double, or is it a queen? I think it's a double bed. You've got 2 desk stands on either side and desk lamps. There's a beautiful backboard with ambient lights tucked there. And you've got a box type air conditioning unit tucked into the wall there. And look at this. This is floor to ceiling windows here. Oh wow, you get to wake up to a view like this. It's not bad, you know. You get to see, well, the sun rises in that direction and it sets in this direction. So you could possibly watch sunset from bed. And this unit also does have a balcony. Oh, I forgot to mention, it has these roller blinds, you see. And there's also a balcony with the air conditioning unit tucked out here. This could do with a little bit of cleaning. But yeah, there isn't really a lot of space to come out here or do anything out here, really. But it's there. And this unit is going for 45k a month. I think it's pretty good. Oh wow, so we're checking out the amenities. This is gonna be my first ever time checking out the amenities. And I love this outdoor walking area that they've got here. Wow, it's fantastic, huh? Oh, it goes all the way right round, I think, the building. That Makati skyline view of Rockwell in the back is one of my favorite views in Metro Manila. But as I was saying earlier, the path goes all the way right round down there and through here. And all the amenities are located, I believe, on the 5th floor. It's called the GL floor, ground level. There's still some construction work going on right now. I think they're doing some work to the pool. Is that the kiddies pool? I'm not sure, I think it might be. And then we've got a lap pool here. Wow. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I actually really like the look of this pool. It's so much more open air than the Park Suites pool or the Uptown Ritz, etc. And what I mean by that is the sun isn't blocked by the surrounding buildings here. So you get all of this sunshine here. And this is the gym, which is currently not being operated or utilized by anyone. It is open, but it seems as though nobody is using it right now. Is it because the Park West building, there's not a lot of occupants living in this building? I don't know. They have another amenity called the library through here. Oh, there's a games room in here. Oh, wow. There's ping pong there. There's a pool table here. There's a couple chairs there too, with a TV as well. There's the kids' room here, with nobody here. Is there more amenities there or no? That's it. Okay, welcome to the third unit, which is located 30 plus floors high. Apparently this unit is around about 45 square meters, somewhere in that region. But it feels a lot bigger. It feels a lot more spacious. And I don't know why that is. Maybe it's because the square meters are higher. But it comes with parking. It's priced at 50k per month. And the configuration is a little weird. Like this sofa being in the middle, it doesn't quite make sense. And I don't know where you could put the TV. Personally, I would put maybe the sofa here and then try and mount the TV somewhere here, but there isn't a lot of space and you can't put the sofa on that side either because of the bedroom door and the bathroom door. So how would this work? I don't really know. There's also a 4-seater dining table here. Where would you put that? Maybe somewhere more in that. I think that should probably be in the corner. I don't know. But the bedroom is very large. It fits a double-sized bed or even a queen-size bed very easily. It's got floor-to-ceiling windows. The wall here seems to be coloured in a grey colour. But all the air conditioning units in this particular unit are box type. The box type is there. There's another box type here. Are they inverters? And it says Everest cooling system. I think they might not be inverters. It's a spacious unit, but one needs to be very clever in terms of how they configure the furniture in this unit. Because right now it's not, I don't think it's been set up in the best way. And there's not a lot of furniture here. There is a brand new TV here, 42 inch, but I'm not sure if it's a smart TV or not. Apparently it has Wi-Fi and Android 11.0. And you can step out onto the balcony here, where there's a bit of outdoor furniture, but there is the box type protruding out of it, and here too. But there's enough space to step out and sit down, but you don't really want to be out here while that thing is on. But take a look at this view. The view is over Ortigas. That right there is Calayan Bridge, and there is nothing in front of you that's going to be obstructing your view. It looks like there's a building going up there. I don't know which building that is, but I'm not sure if that's going to be a skyscraper or not. But anyway, your line of sight in this direction is not hindered, which is great. And you've got a bit of a view over there of the rolling hills and mountains of Antipolo and Rizal. Anyway, let's step back on through. I believe it's never tenanted. The terms for this unit are 2+2. The terms for the previous unit, that was 2+2 plus post-dated checks, but I think you might be able to get around that if you don't have the PDC. Okay, so just across the hallway from the previous unit, the third unit we saw in today's video, is the fourth unit. And it's of a very similar configuration, but I think the living space is a little bit more narrow. I think this unit is slightly smaller than the previous unit that we saw. But here the furniture seems to be laid out better. The couch is in the corner over there. The dining table with 4 seats is positioned here. A very small TV stand with what looks like a 45-inch TV tucked in the corner there. Your bedroom is here. This bed actually looks pretty comfortable. I like the headboard here. I'm not sure about the black color, but it's a little shaky. Could do with the screws tightening up down there. The view, once again, is incredible from this unit. It's over Ortigas, floor-to-ceiling windows in the bedroom and in the living space. These one-bedroom units feel bigger than the studio or the one-beds in the Park Suite buildings. Your toilet and bathroom is through here, and this is your kitchen area. But once again, there's no washing machine, but that can be requested. There's a microwave here, an induction hob here, and a fridge. And this is going for 50k, and it comes with parking too. Well folks, those were 4 units that we saw in today's video in the area of Uptown, 2 in Park West and 2 in Times Square. And so if you're interested in any of the units you saw in today's video, hit the email in the description below. But as always, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like today's video and share it with friends and family. And I will see you in the next video here on the channel. Many thanks for watching guys. Take care and bye for now.